How to promote CPA offers on Instagram with free CPA marketing topic, which you can work from home, and it is a work from home job that you don't need to have anything at all. You just need to have an internet connection, smartphone, PC, or laptop, so it can work for you. And you will definitely don't need a special office or expensive tools or something like that. You just need to have internet connection, smartphone or PC, and you are good to go with this method, and you can make a huge amount of money. But you need to have and you need to invest a little bit of your time into this method daily. At the backside you can earn money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. Just watch the video to the very end and you will learn each and every single step by step training right here for absolutely free. So hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want Video channel, and this video I'm going to share with you all the pros and cons for making money online and CPA marketing. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with OfferVault, or even you can sign up with CPA.lead.co. If you want to promote the CPA offer, for example on OfferVault, then you need to type for example something like that. I will target something like for example the grocery, something like that. So this is a word. If we simply find it out right here on this page, so it will be great. If we don't find, so then we can simply go right to another step right here. For example, you can simply see here this grocery $35 for offer we are just getting right here, and that is requiring the different countries right here. But the same way, if you just go to CPA Lead, you need to sign up first, then you need to log into your account right here, and you will see the interface something like this, and then you can simply search right here in the search bar, for example the grocery. So let me just type grocery right here, and you will see the first thing right here, for example like this one, the first sample. So just click on this free grocery samples. Once you click on that, you will see more information like payout type, status, and country, which means the United States traffic they need right here. So it is already active. So we just need to get benefit from this right here. So here, what you need to do, this is the preview. If you just click on that, you will see the preview of that how it looks if we redirect people with our own special link. So they will be visited this page right here that they can add their first name, last name, email address, and they can get started. Once they get started, we are earning money from that right here. So the first step is that we need to copy this link, and then we can simply embed into the link tree or something like that. But the coolest part is right here that they have only targeted these devices, which is all devices. It's not only Android system or PC or laptop or iOS. It is actually all devices, means every device whenever people sign up. So we are earning money from that right here. So the first step is that you can simply copy this link, and then we can simply go to Linktree and embed that in Linktree right there. Once you embed that, then you can simply copy the Linktree link from here, and then you can jump into the free topic right here. So the free topic that we are talking about in today's video is really Instagram right here, that you can simply see here, Instagram. So we will just start promoting our products with Instagram, and Instagram is one of the greatest part right here with free topic, which gets 6.5 billion, means 6.5 billion people every single month is visiting to Instagram, and it's the best opportunity for us to promote our offers with that. But this method is not similar to the previous one. It is totally different. I will show you that how we can do that. The first step is that we simply type in the search for something like, for example, grocery or something like that, or hashtag grocery. You can simply search. Once you search, we'll see this page right here, which is 1 plus 1 million plus post people are doing right here, and they are uploading daily contents right here, and many people like that and they are interested with that with groceries right here. So I will show you some example right here, like this one website, Ralph Grocery, which is already verified account with 22,000 followers. Many people are interesting, but this guy is promoting their website as well right here on this page. and there are many people that they are promoting products right here with this page. So we can also promote and copy the same idea what they are doing, so we can do the same thing and the same strategy right here. And this is also another account right here that it's already verified. It means people are already interested with these types of contents. But the great part is right here. I will also show you one more. For example, this is the fresh grocery. This is another website with account with 10,000 followers right here. And this account is using the link drilling, which means they are also copy pasting or using the same strategy. If you just click on that, you will be visited to this page right here that you can simply use right here. For example, they are promoting different offers right here, so we can also have the same thing, and we can also promote different contents right here on this page right here. But how we can do that? The great part is right here that we are not promoting similar content. There is a huge difference in our idea with them right here. They are promoting the exact product that people can purchase, and they will earn money from that right here. But we are doing something else. The first step for us will be that we simply create similar account in the grocery niche. Once we created that, the next step is that we can simply add a link right here and also a bio right here, and we can add the link. Our link to link will be that which you can just edit it in the profile section and add it in the website section, and that will be pop up and shown right here for the people, and people can click on that. And then after that, once you set up that, then you can simply download all these images and videos, some of them, and then you can upload to your account right here. There is no problem. You can simply download and re-upload to your account. Once you copy that right here, the simple idea is that we are not promoting these contents. We are promoting our grocery sample right here, which is, for example, on the page, which is this one right here. We are promoting this, that people don't want to purchase anything. They can simply just get sample. Okay, free sample, they can simply get it right there. So for this purpose, everybody will be aggravated and everybody will satisfy, and they will have the eagerness to jump into the offer and then sign up with this right here, because that's absolutely free. They don't want to invest any money in that for purchasing, so they can simply get uh, sample mama for absolutely free right here. So everybody will have the eagerness for that right here. So that's why we need to use this strategy, because, and we can simply tell people in the description that get a free grocery samples for 100% free, because everybody will be agree with that. So use the hashtag like they use fresh for everyone. You can use, for example, free groceries for everyone, or free grocery samples for everyone. You can simply use like that the hashtags, because everybody will get attention into that right here. So once you set up with that, the next step is that you can simply go to the followers of them, and then you can simply just follow these guys right here one by one. This is the first step, that you can get more engagement and followers. By that way means they get notification. When they see the notification, they can also follow you, because they will also tell you, they will also think that this is also about grocery, and they will like that right here. They can follow you and you will get more engagement. Another step is for us right here. For example, if we just go to their accounts right here, for example, this is the account right here. So we can simply just visit to the main account right here. For example, this is the account, just open in a new tab right here. So once you open in a new tab, you can simply follow the first step. Once you follow, the next step is that you can simply click on the message right here. Once you click on the message, then you can simply tell them, these guys right here. So I have already written this, so you can also use, for example, hello, this will be the name, whatever the name is. That, for example, you can simply use it right here. For example, make sure that you use their name. The first name is Olens. For example, hello Olens, hope you're doing well with COVID-19. I was searching on the Instagram, and I have seen you are interested in groceries, and I thought let's contact you for to be part of a bigger grocery team and get most of the time free grocery samples too right here. Okay, so you can also mention these things right here, because everybody will be satisfied with this. So then you can simply tell, so if you are interested, please visit the link in the bio. Make sure that do not put the link right here, so make sure that you just put it the bio link. Sorry, you just mention that visit the link in the bio, and then simply thanks. I have question, please welcome. Or if you have any problem or question, just we will be happy to assist you or something like that. So you can simply just copy this from here and you can simply send to every individual right here. For example, if you send to this one, so make sure that you send to 50 right here in the morning and 50 in the night. For example, a complete 100 people you can message every single day. So in that way you will get more growth in your account right here. This will be the one thing. And the next step will be that people can directly just go to your link, for example your bio, and they can click on that and they would be visited to the page something like this one, and they can simply click on the link, and they can simply, because everybody's trying to get the free samples about grocery, nobody want to invest the money. So if it is free, so then everybody will be happy with that. So that's why we recommend this method to be consistent in that, and then you can make money from that. So if you just build your account and you work properly every single day in a month, in 1 month you will grow your account more than this. For example, like these accounts, you can make more money and you can more get more followers than these people right here, and you will get a huge amount of money from that right here. So hope you like the method and you take action on the method. The only requirement for this method is that to take action and be consistent, and the backside you can see a result from that. So if you want to full training and making money online, getting passive income and working from home, then check out the first link in the description and you will see all the pros and cons for full training and making money online with, and you can do everything in a two pilot system. So hope you like it and you're agree with that and you take action on the method. So if you have any question, please comment me below in the comment section. I will soon, and as soon as possible I will respond to that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.